Hello everybody and welcome back to the Laser Maker's Realm. I am Patrick with LightSource Engraving, and today I have a special LightBurn file for you. It's designed to be put on a stainless steel pendant such as an oval, a rectangle, a dog tag, whatever you choose. However, it is a LightBurn file and I'm going to include the Illustrator file as well, so you can modify it to use on any project you like. The theme will be, it's an Easter project, so designed with knowing that Easter will be here in several weeks. I will have a second version of the project available on my channel, which is LightSource Engraving, and the link will be in the description. So please like this video and subscribe to the Laser Maker's Realm. We greatly appreciate it. I'm using a 50-watt Noua Laser Smart 2 with a Raycus Source, a 175mm lens, and the settings will be in the LightBurn file that I used to get this dark mark on the stainless steel. Let's jump into LightBurn. Alright, we are in LightBurn software right now, and here's our graphic. It is currently sized at 36mm tall, 23mm wide. The settings I'm going to use to make a black mark are speed of 120, power of 21, frequency of 50, using a crosshatch with a 0.025 line distance, and we will be doing this in 2 passes. I will not be using flood fill. We will be filling all shapes at once. So let's turn the laser on. You're going to hear some fan noise. We are nice and centered and framed. And we'll go ahead and start this job. I'll let the first pass run in real time, and then I'll fast forward through the crosshatch pass and then the second full crosshatch pass. Then we'll get some pictures and sum everything up and close out this video. And there you have it. Just like that, we have fresh off the laser our stainless steel pendant. I think that looks very good. This file is available for free. Check the link and in the description, and you'll be able to download that from the Laser Maker's Realm website. I will have a second version of this file posted on my channel soon, and I will be using that version of the file to make a wooden phone holder on the CO2 laser. Not the Galvo. I'm going to use the gantry. Or maybe I will. Maybe I'll use both. Maybe I'll use the gantry to cut it out and the Galvo to engrave it. You'll just have to stay tuned and see. So the link to my channel will also be in the description. And don't forget, we have the Laser Maker's Realm Patreon. We have the Laser Maker's Realm Discord and Facebook groups, so you can check the description and find those. I have my own Patreon. I can link that in the description. But most importantly, please like and subscribe. That way, when we put out these free files for you, you'll be able to grab them. Might save you some work and some money, so you don't have to make them yourself or purchase them. And hopefully will turn out to be some great projects, which if you make a project using these files, please post it in the Facebook group or join the Discord and post it so we can all take a look and see your work. But that's it. We do appreciate you watching. I appreciate you watching, and have a great day as usual. Thank you.